really want to thank you for choosing Ivory Dental for your tooth problems. Now that you have done a tooth crown in our center, I would like to give you some instructions and how you can make the best use of these dental crowns. Now, tooth crown has been placed on the tooth to protect the tooth from any damage. It's like a helmet on the tooth. It's like a protective covering. Though dental crowns are one of the most longest lasting restorations in the mouth, they do undergo some wear and tear and may require replacement in a few years. How many years it will last in your mouth really depends on individual chewing forces, so it cannot be predicted beforehand. But we have seen over the last 10 years that crowns last for even more than a decade. To make the best use of these dental crowns, I will advise you to avoid eating very sticky food like chicky, eclairs or caramelized sugar, which will pull away the crown from the tooth. So avoid eating these sticky foods. Also, you must avoid eating very hard foodstuffs which can break your natural tooth also. Don't use your teeth to open a cold drink bottle. Don't cut open walnut or pista shells with this tooth crown. Avoid eating extreme hard foods which can damage your natural tooth as well. As you know now that this tooth crown has been fixed onto the tooth with a special cement. Over a period of time, this cement may dissolve because the mouth is a wet environment. Once the cement dissolves, there is a high chance that the cap might come off or it may become loose. If this happens, please make sure that you visit your nearest dentist as soon as possible, preferably within 2 to 3 days of the cap coming out, so that the same cap can be cleaned, the tooth can be cleaned, and it can be simply refixed with a new layer of cement. There's nothing to worry if the cap comes out. We just need to make sure that you go to your nearest dentist as soon as possible. These crowns are just like your natural tooth. So if you don't brush your natural tooth, you can get a cavity in the tooth. Same way, if you don't brush your crown, you can get a cavity underneath the crown. So make sure that you brush twice a day with a fluoridated toothpaste and rinse your mouth with a mouthwash, and do use a floss to clean the adjacent teeth as well. When you use a floss, it makes sure that the food which is stuck on either side of the crown gets removed properly, the crown edges are clean, and you will never have to face any problem with this tooth crown. Let me assure you once again that these caps are very strong and they are very long lasting. So if you follow all these instructions properly, you should not have any trouble enjoying your food with these new set of teeth. Thank you once again for choosing Ivory Dental. Wish you a very healthy and happy smile.